Gelato review. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be reviewing Gelato API. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. Also guys, I would just like to emphasize that for Gelato Plus Gold members, for the new subscribers, they will get 3 free months of international shipping. Now, if for those of you who don't know, Gelato is a print-on-demand type of website, and over here you can start your very own print-on-demand business with a simple click of a button. Now, I've used Gelato in the past and I've, reviewed its website before and showed you guys how it works as well. So I have a pretty good understanding of where does it stack against all of its competitors. And I do have to say Gelato is pretty amazing. And if you click the link in the description, you will get 50% discount from your first order during the first 3 days after the initial sign up process. And Gelato offers free global shipping for 3 months to its annual subscribers to the new Gelato Plus Gold tier of subscriptions. So, before I begin, let me just tell you a little bit about Gelato. So, Gelato was founded back in 2008, and their first business, which was called Optimal Print, it got off to a flying start and selling personalized greeting cards across Europe. Today, Optimal Print is a photo product business operating in 23 countries. The millions of orders produced by their network of printers have referred their production workflow technology optimum and perfected the product quality. The millions of orders produced by their networks of printers have refined their production workflow technology and perfected the product quality as well. They're extremely proud and eager to read what their customer says about their optimal print experience on consumer review sites like Trustpilot. That would be a pretty amazing thing and have been a possible without Gelato's resilient network. With Gelato API, they want to give every entrepreneur or company the same growth opportunity as Optimal Prints. And you are now able to launch a truly global print on demand type of service or business, and this will allow you to connect with new customers in new markets and better serve your existing customers as well. Your products are produced nearer to your customers by highly qualified local printers. Transportation time is shortened and carbon emission are reduced, which I think is pretty amazing. Now, over here, as I said before, comparing Gelato to other print on demand type of websites is pretty simple, right? So, if I come over here onto Printful, so Printful is also a print on demand website, and I have used Printful in the past as well. But the problem with Printful is that it's not that simple. It's a little bit, difficult compared to Gelato. Gelato is very easy to use, which is why I like it. Now, compared to Printful, it's better, but Printful, well, the problem I have faced that not a lot of countries are supported by Printful. I mean, not my country. My country is not supported by Printful, so I can't really create a business on Printful, even if I wanted to. Which is why I like Gelato API. Gelato has a lot of options. A lot of countries are supported by Gelato, so you can easily create your print-on-demand website and print-on-demand store or print-on-demand business, whatever you would like to call it. It's truly amazing. Now, if you were to sign up, you can easily sign up over here onto their website. And if you were wondering how it works, let me just show you. It's so easy. It truly takes you a couple of minutes. So when you first launch in, right, you click on new order, right? You try to, if you want to create a new product, right? So what you would need to do is just simply connect your store, right? Connecting your store is pretty simple. I've already connected my Shopify account, right? All I would have to do is just click on connect and just simply install the Gelato API app onto Shopify, and then it's boom. It's easy peasy lemon squeezy. And after that, you just simply have to, create your products, right? So to create a product, just simply click on add product, all right? And click on add product over here, and then choose which type of product you want to create. So for example, if I wanted to create women's clothing, I will just simply click on that and just choose which type of clothing I want. Hoodies, sweatshirts, organic, long sleeves, t-shirts, sportswear, 3/4 sleeve shirts, tank tops, t-shirts, whatever you want to do, you can go ahead and create them. It's so simple, and it is a total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps. You choose your product, you design it, you connect, add the media, you add the details of the product, and you add the pricing. That's pretty much it, right? So if I were to choose t-shirts, and over here I just choose the premium women's v-neck t-shirt over here, Then it's going to take me over to the design section. Over here, I basically design the product, right? So this is a product right here, as you can see. And I have some colors as well, such as white, black, and navy color over here. I have the sizes as well, and I can just simply add my own media to it. So if I were to click over here and add my image, click on my device, I can just simply choose which type of image I wanted to add, right? Pretty simple. So I've already added my image over here. I would just simply choose that and it'll just simply put on the image right here. Now you can go ahead and move this image around. You can put it over here in the corner, over here or bottom. You can make it smaller as well, which I think is pretty cool. So it all depends on you really. So let me just go ahead and increase the size of it a little bit. So yeah, there we go. So as I said before, really simple, nothing too serious about it. Then you just simply design it. You can even put something at the back as well. So let me just actually put this up a little bit because it's not really that centered. And over here, you can add something to the back as well. And once you've added that, just simply click on continue to media, right? So simple. And then you just choose the product mockup style. So over here, you will have a bunch of different designs and, models that you can choose from. So you have these different types of mockups to choose. So let me just choose this one, and this one, and maybe like a close-up of it as well, and maybe like someone wearing it from afar, like this one as well. So since there's nothing on the back, so I'm not going to choose back, right? And then if you scroll down below, you will have all these different types of mock-ups as well, of different models and different lightings and different colors. So pretty simple, right? Then you just simply click on continue to detail. Then you add the details of your product, such as the height, length, the type of washing it requires, the setting of the product, the description, the name, everything, right? And once you've added that, I've already added this over here. Pre-template is added over here. You can remove this and change it to whatever you like. And once that's added, just simply click on continue to price. And then over here, you can change the pricing of it as well. And then over here, this will be the initial sales price. And then over here on the right side, you will have your profits as well. So you can go ahead and change this pricing as well. So you can decrease the pricing or increase the pricing. It all depends on you. And once you've done it, just simply click on publish and your product will be published to your Shopify store, right? So as you can see, it's publishing right now. So we'll just sit back, relax, let it do its thing, and I will catch you guys in a little second. So let's just sit back, relax, let it do its thing, and I will show you once it's done, finished. I will show you it is uploaded onto the Shopify store. And over here, as you can see, the product has now been published. If I click on this product, I can see all the variants as well. So all the variants of different colors and sizes are uploaded and we are good to go. So pretty simple, right? So let me just show you on my Shopify store over here that it is now connected. So over here, as you can see, the premium crew neck t-shirt for women is now uploaded and it's ready to be sold as well. So as you can see, less than 5 minutes, I've created a product and I've already put it over here onto Shopify as well. And you can change it to whatever you want. You can connect it to different stores as well. You don't even have to connect it to Shopify. So over here, Gelato has a variety of numbers of stores that you can connect to. So you have Etsy, WooCommerce, Wix, and Squarespace, BigCommerce, eBay, Ecwid as well. So you can choose whichever one you want, whichever one you feel comfortable with, and you can easily do it. Now, I already have Gelato Plus, so which they gave me for free, and you can even get your own Gelato Plus account. If you choose that, you will have much more features and benefits. So if I click over here, you can see all the features and benefits over here. So you will get premium apparel mockups. You will get product personalization tools that lets your customers personalize their product with images, text, and graphics. You can read to use the graphics. You have unlimited access to 200 plus graphics. You can turn any of your designs into art with ease of use of image filters. You have access to Shutterstock's Essential Pack, which has 1 million free premium images from Shutterstock. You get automatic file uploads for personalized orders, one-click product expansion sales, make more money on shipping, set profit margins, offer express shipping as well, 21 stunning wall art mockups in a variety of rooms, 5 users and 5 stores. So you can create multiple stores with multiple users. So it's pretty simple. And it's only available for 7.99 euros, right? Then they also give you 30-day trial of free. So which I think is pretty cool. And it's $7.99 if you choose the manual plan. If you go to monthly, then it's going to be, I think, over here $9.99 as well. So keep that in mind. It's pretty simple, it's really easy. And one of the unique things that I've seen about Gelato is their product portfolio, right? They have the deepest portfolio amongst any print on demand website, right? When it comes to wall arts, whether it's poster, frame poster, canvases, acrylic, whatever it is, calendars, cards. In apparel segments, they have all the basic products such as t-shirts, hoodies, long sleeves, tank tops, and all of that, as I showed you before. And you can navigate their product portfolio for each different category you find the most suitable for you. They're also really global yet local, the largest global production network with 100 plus local partners in 34 countries and growing, which is pretty amazing. As I said before, they support a lot of countries as well, and they're delivering from a regional hub of 200 countries because they produce their product in more than 100 locations worldwide, which is pretty amazing. And their customer service is top notch. They have one of the best customer reviews in the industry. If you go over to Trustpilot, if you come over here onto Trustpilot, you can see their scores. All right, so they have a 4.7% scores. All right, 382 people have reviewed it, and they've all given it excellent reviews, which I think is pretty amazing. So pretty amazing tool. All right, there are some nooks and crannies over here, but nothing too major to worry about. I think overall it's one of the best ones out there. As I said before, it's so good. All right, it's everything is in front of you. You don't even have to do a lot of stuff as well. Just simply sign up, and the sign up process is also very easy. You can sign up with just a single click of a button if you sign up with either Google or Facebook or your Apple account, and you are good to go. You simply connect your Gelato account with any of your stores, as I said before, any store you want. Then you create a product, as I said before, and then you publish it, and boom, you're good to go. Then you can sell your products from Gelato onto different stores. You can sell your product from different stores onto Gelato. It all depends on you. So overall, it all depends on you. In my opinion, Gelato is one of the best ones out there. And also, guys, I would like to say that if you want to have like 50% off on your first order, then you can do so by entering in this promo code that is on the screen right now. Now, if you've missed it or you can't figure it out or what it says, they will also be mentioned down in the description below as well. So you can copy it from there, or you can see it on the screen, whichever one you choose. So pretty much that's it for this video. Let me know in the comment sections down below what you guys think of Gelato, and if you're interested in using it and excited about it as well. So having said that, that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notifications, and I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.